new subjects introduced recently with the introduction of the new Queensland ATAR curriculum. And so we have a general subject called Digital Solutions, which is a very academic subject. It involves programming, system analysis and design. For those that aren't so keen on doing the programming side, or perhaps not looking at studying IT at university, there are a couple of other courses available now. One of them is the ICT Applied course, so less rigorous than the Digital Solutions course. In that course we have options for students to be able to do things like animation, video and audio production, web design, so more applications based rather than coding and development of the solutions. And the third option available to schools is the VET courses, the certificates. For example, a Certificate 3 in Information Technology could include a brief introduction to programming, maybe some inclusion of podcasts and vodcasts, 360 images into websites, maybe to use a tool like WordPress, for example, which is industry standard.